today's theme is animals.
Welcome to the World of Eric Carle. I'm Rae.
And I'm Renee.
Today's theme is animals.
We're going to be focusing on the elephant.
From Eric Carle's From Head to Toe.
Today, we're going to be making elephant masks.
You'll need craft foam, a marker, a hole punch, stapler, 3 toilet paper tubes, 2 long pieces of string, a glue stick, tissue paper. We've painted this tissue paper in the style of Eric Carle, and scissors.
First, you're going to take the craft paper and your marker. We're going to make the mask for the elephant. Make a semicircle and then 2 little squiggles at the bottom. Then 2 holes for the eyes. Next, you're gonna make another little semicircle and 3 squiggles on the outside of it for the ears. Go ahead and do that again on the next side. 2 and 3. And there you have the face and the ears of the elephant.
Cut out your foam and paint it in the color of your choice. We have some pieces that we've already painted.
Next, we're gonna staple the ears onto the face of the elephant. You're gonna take the ears with the squiggles pointing out and staple 1 at the top and 1 at the bottom. And you're gonna do it again on the other side. 1 staple, 2 staple. There you go. And here you have your elephant mask. You know what I think our elephant needs?
A trunk.
Take your glue stick, put it onto the paper, then take your roll and roll it right onto that paper. Make sure it's nice and secured.
Once your tissue paper is glued to your tube, you'll want to punch 2 holes in the top of your tube, 1 on each side. 1 and 2. Go ahead and do the same thing on the other end of your tube so that you have a total of 4 holes in your tube. You'll repeat that with all 3 tubes. Once all of your tubes have holes, it's time to grab your string and to thread your tubes together. We've taken these tubes and connected them by threading the string through and tying a little knot. Now, for my tube, I'm going to take my string through the hole and bring it through the center of my tube.
I'm weaving my tube on the outside.
You'll repeat this on both sides.
And when you're all done, it's time to attach it to the mask. Grab your mask, and you're gonna make 2 holes right at the bottom of the curve. Take your hole puncher and punch 1 hole and 2 holes. Next, take 1 string of your trunk and place it right through 1 hole. And take the other end of the string and place it through the other hole you just made. And when you're finished, tie a knot to secure the trunk onto the mask. And you can cut any excess string you have. And there you have it. You just made an elephant mask.
Hey, what sound does an elephant make?
Thank you so much for making elephant masks with us.
We hope you had fun. We sure did.
See you soon.
It's puppet time.
Let's move like animals. Can you kick like a donkey?
Wow. That's great.
Can you kneel like a camel?
Oh, I think he's getting back up.
Can you stretch like a cat?
Good job.
Can you turn your head like a penguin? Can you jump like a cricket?
Zoop. 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 Why don't you practice jumping like the cricket? Zoop.
Today, we'll be reading From Head to Toe by Eric Carle. I am a penguin, and I turn my head. Can you do it? Do you see the penguin turning its head? Let's try it too. Great job. I can do it. The little girl is doing it too. I am a giraffe, and I bend my neck. Can you do it? Do you see the giraffe's long neck and you see how it's bending? Let's try bending our necks like a giraffe. I can do it. And the little boy is bending his neck as well. I am a buffalo, and I raise my shoulders. Can you do it? Look at the buffalo and his big shoulders. Let's see if we can raise our shoulders like the buffalo. I can do it. The little girl is doing it too. I am a monkey, and I wave my arms. Can you do it? Let's show them that we can do it. I can do it. I am a seal, and I clap my hands. Can you do it? Let's clap for the seal. I can do it. I am a gorilla, and I thump my chest. Can you do it? Let's thump our chest like gorillas, very strong. I can do it. I am a cat, and I arch my back. Can you do it? See how the cat is arching its back? I can do it. The little girl can arch her back too. How about you try? I am a crocodile, and I wriggle my hips. Can you do it? Let's wriggle our hips like we're dancing to music. I can do it. I am a camel, and I bend my knees. Can you do it? Try bending your knees at home. I can do it. I am a donkey, and I kick my legs. Can you do it? Let's show the donkey a big, strong kick. Hiya! I can do it. I am an elephant, and I stump my foot. Can you do it? Let's stump with the elephant. I can do it. I am I, and I wiggle my toe. Can you do it? Try wiggling your toe at home. I can do it. I can do it. Thank you for reading and playing with me today.
Thanks for joining us today. Hope you had fun. See you next time.